Hi guys, kakain na kami ng lunch and si Daddy pala, nagluto siya ng fried potatoes. At saka meron ako ditong ginawang salad na cabbage, purple. First time kong makakain ngayon ng purple na cabbage. Pero palagi na kaming kumakain ng ganitong salad. Yung mga bata, paborito nila to. Pero first time din nilang makakain ngayon ng purple. Ininit ko lang din yung tira namin kahapon na inasal na manok. Meron pa dito pizza, maraming tira. Kung magtatanong kayo kung asan yung mabinan ko, tapos na silang kumain. Na kaming space dito, puro na takob-takob. Diba? Mga tira-tirang pagkain.
No, don't animals. This is for children.
Hi, Daddy.
I know you finished the rice there.
Here. What here? Si Edie, hindi ko alam kung kakain ba siya nito. Baka manibago siya ba? First time niya kasi. Yung nilagay ko pala pag sa salad ako ng cabbage is suka, kaunti, tubig, mantika, at saka paminta, asin. Yun lang po. Hindi ako mahilig maglagay ng iba pa. Si Daddy ay yung nagluto. Alas 2 na pala. Late na kaming nagising today.
You eat pizza now?
No, nobody eat.
I put in...
Guys, you know who make these potatoes? My father. It's like McDonald's. It's very yummy. Wait, Amir.
Asta?
What is that? Robot?
No. This is a skin. Rote ka.
Pipi.
Si Katyusha guys, gustong-gusto niya yung balat ng manok.
What means balat? If it is that grass skin, I don't eat because I don't like the grass skin.
Ako kasi gusto ko initin yung mga ganitong pagkain. Ang si Daddy, ayaw niya. Hindi siya mahilig sa init-init. This is the cabbage. Edie, yummy. Na. Ganyan yan si Edie guys. Ayaw niya kumain pag nanibago siya sa kulay.
Ketchup. This I eat long time. That's what I like. Ketchup. It's not first time.
Cabbage. I don't want to bring you. Why don't eat cabbage?
Rekas kebab ini.
No, burger.
Rekas kebab.
Burger. Ano nila karate yan? Banana.
Ito sa cabbage all ha. You want to come with us?
Where are you, mommy?
Ajo.
Hindi na pa.
Da. I eat first the cabbage. Eat first the cabbage, mami, if you want to. Hi there.
Yeah,
I eat the cabbage. Ayan na guys, kumain na si Edie ng cabbage. Wow! Lami. I eat cabbage. Ayan, first time yang ulug-ulugan na. Hanggang sa masanay sila. Hey, eat one cabbage, hi. One cabbage. Asya? Just kalami. One. Eat all. Eat. Kalami.
Oh, the mom is finished.
What is it?
It's good.
Potato, carne and curry.
Really nice.
I like the purple guys.
What is very masarap?
This is the best for salad.
So, para sa akin, mas masarap pa to yung salad kaysa yung sa isa ba?
Apa?
Green pa. Pero ito, ang sarap niya salad.
Where is me, mommy? Mama, cabbage.
Buti lang dinamihan ko.
After eating.
The curry soup bacon.
No, avevo prima. Guarda che poi ne gusta. No avevo.
Heidi o salad.
More this, don't waste the food. It's not good to waste.
Ay, sarap.
Look, come is salad. Do you eat salad? Do you eat salad? Bless you.
Eat salad. You like? Kalami ba na eh? Ayan, nagustuhan na ni Edie yung salad, guys. Cabbage. Ganyan yan. Pag ayaw nilang kumain, pilitin nyo. Ulog-ulog eh. Kaya rong mukaon. Nga na, mga bata lagi. Nagustuhan na ni Edie yung cabbage. Yummy. Puto.
My life so happy. Chico, guwashi?
Simula una talaga, palagi si Habi yung nagsiserve sa amin ng mga juice. Maalaga si Habi. Tamang-tama yung pagkatimpla.
I really know. Mama, get that.
Paborito niya yung balat ng manok. Tapos kung ano yung masarap, guys, yun yung panghuli niyang kainin.
We need to buy all the time this cabbage to make salad. And salad is the perfect.
Finish.
Wow.
Someone put tomato. Yes.
Sabay. So, ayan. Kunti na lang yung cabbage na tira. Marami yung ginawa ko. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, Facebook page, The Petri Family.